How to edit 4K video in Kdenlive without lag. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import your 4K video clips into the project bin. Editing 4K videos can be demanding on your system, so to avoid lag, it's best to enable proxy clips. To do this, go to the project menu and select Project Settings. Next, click on the Proxy tab and check the option to enable proxy clips. Set the resolution for proxies to a lower value like 640 pixels width, which creates smaller, easier to handle versions of your 4K footage. Kdenlive will automatically generate these proxy files in the background. Once proxies are enabled, drag your clips onto the timeline as usual. Editing will be much smoother since Kdenlive uses these lightweight proxies for playback and editing while keeping the original 4K files for export. Remember, when you export your final video, Kdenlive will use the original full resolution clips so your output stays crisp and detailed. Now you know how to edit 4K video in Kdenlive without lag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.